Hi everybody, welcome to the Gibraltar Heritage Trust Patio Garden Oasis here at the main guard in Gibraltar. I'm gonna update you on what's going on in the garden in 30 seconds or less. After a long Easter break, I noticed we had some new flowers. I had to feed our little friends. The plants needed a deep watering, and of course, there was light cleaning to be done. Now, it's really important that I pull the pots out from the walls and sweep up the leaves and the debris. The leaves and debris actually create a nice home for unwanted guests and little pests that you might not want in your enclosed patio garden. So when I'm here, I make sure every week to get a good cleaning back behind all the pots. Well, that's about it. The Garden Oasis here at Gibraltar Heritage Trust continues to do well. Stay tuned for more videos and updates about the Gibraltar Heritage Trust Garden Oasis.